Good night, Al. 1-1, 2 1-1s.
It helps when those boxes aren't shook, getting it out. That's on video too. Yeah. Don't shake them up. Look what happens. Hot sauce comes out, Robbie. Here we go.
Let's see upside and down.
I think that's your lowest yet. That one right there.
This one here?
Yep. That's going to be your lowest one.
No, that'll be the lowest. Alright, so.
Terrell Owens auto. I always like that card.
It is a good looking card.
Buyback. Here's one of my favorites. Ooh, Johnny Unitas Raymond Berry duel. Come on. Steve Young auto to 5 out of Flawless.
Never heard of him.
Golly, man. Has there been one bad box tonight? $89, fellas. He paid $89 for that box. Hit a Young to 5, a Terrell Owens buyback auto, and a Unitas Raymond Berry.
No, this is Goldmine.
Oh, that was 149. 149. My bad. I thought it was Silvertown.
But still, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, still. That right there is a huge card in Flawless. Number 5, Owens. There you go, guys. Pizza's on the way, guys. It's not too late for y'all to come down and see us. Right, Al?
Hey, you got a 101.